everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. I hope you all are having a great day so far. Today I want to unbox a new bag with you guys. I have recently purchased it. It's from Polene and it is from New York City. I have purchased it right here and I was going to open it, but then I thought let's unbox this on YouTube. So here we go. Let's get started. Let me move a little this side so that I can show it to you properly. So Polene, it's a brand from Paris and I was actually going to buy one last year when I had been to Paris. If you have not watched my Paris vlogs, they are on my other vlogging channel. I am super excited to open this bag. We got this bag last week and I have not opened it. I thought I'll open it on the channel. This is actually a gift from my husband for our anniversary, which is coming up. And this is a brand from Paris. It's Polene. You must have heard it recently. I think for the past couple of years this brand has been gaining a lot of popularity and I have always loved the designs. When I went to Paris last year, I wanted to buy one bag, but if you have seen my vlogs, you must have seen that we were super busy. There was like literally no time for shopping, so I hardly bought anything from Paris. And my husband had insisted last year also that we will go to this store and buy one bag, but I didn't get the chance. So this year we bought it from New York City itself. There is a Polene branch in New York City, so I went to the store and I picked out the bag. I knew which one I wanted to get, but still I wanted to go to the store and experience all the other styles and then probably make a decision. So let's go. Here is my bag which I purchased. It is in a raincoat here because the day when we purchased this bag, it was raining, so they have very kindly put on a raincoat on this. So I'm finally removing it. Okay, and let's open it. So Polene, I not sure how many of you guys know, it has recently been bought by the LVMH group. So LVMH essentially owns Louis Vuitton as well, and I believe that I think after they have been bought by LVMH, these bag prices may go up quite a lot in the future. They have already kind of increased since the past year or so. I've been tracking the prices. They have kind of increased, but I am guessing they will increase quite a lot more. So this was the right time to get one. So this is the receipt which I'm going to keep with me just in case I want to sell this in the future. And here is the box. Let's take it out. Their store was so beautiful in New York City. It's in Soho and I also love the Soho area. Okay, it's not coming out. It's so heavy. Okay, so here it is. It's not a mini bag. It's quite a big size which I have got. Okay, let me keep it here. I don't do this on the channel too much, so please bear with me. This is essentially a beauty channel, but I have been telling you guys that I want to move into more lifestyle categories like accessories and fashion, because I am gaining a lot of knowledge in that area and aspects as well. So I want to share them with you as also. So this is how my little bag is inside. Here it is. It is in a dust bag. There's not too much to it actually. Let me just take the bag straight out and show it to you guys. And it's in a beautiful dust bag. And here is what I have purchased. Ta-da-da-da! This is the Polene Mokki. This is how it looks like. It is so beautiful. I just love Polene designs. Let me just keep the dust bag nicely. The dust bag is lined inside as well. So it has fleece lining inside. That's amazing. Such a high quality dust bag as well. And the bag smells of like leather. It's real genuine leather. The reason why I wanted to get this brand bag, or I've been always interested in this brand, is because their bags are made in Ubrique, Spain. So Ubrique, Spain is a hub for luxury bag manufacturers. A lot of these luxury brands get their bags manufactured there, and Polene is such brand which gets their bags manufactured in Ubrique. So that is why they have like one of the best artisans, leather manufacturers and craftsmen. So their bags are usually exceptional quality, and Polene is a brand I think which is kind of mid-range. It's not super expensive, not luxury prices. It's a mid-range bag brand, and I like to stay in the mid-range bag price, so this is absolutely perfect for me. And this is the Polene Mokki which I have purchased. Look at the beautiful design. I just love it. It's a little bit when you see it at first, when you wear it, it looks like, you know, it's bulky, but when you actually hold it and you'll start using it, it's not going to feel as bulky. I wanted something more spacious, so that's why I purchased this one, because it looks very, very spacious. I love these curved designs here, like the leather is like folded in and texture. There is like a curvy design to it. I really, really like it. It's quite unique in style, and I just love this color. This is the color taupe in this bag. I wanted to get this kind of a color, like a neutral light color, which will go with almost every kind of outfit. And I don't know what to say. It's just a lovely, lovely, it's a beautiful little bag. It's one of their newer launches, I believe, so that's also great. It's one of their newer designs. So the bag opens like this. There's a like a clasp kind of a thing, and there are two compartments. The bag is really, really spacious. That's my first impression. I'll try to give you close-ups here, but if I take this one out, there is a crossbody strap as well. If you want to wear it crossbody, you can do that. I would also love to carry it as a top handle bag, but it has a crossbody. And look at this space which is there inside the bag. It's really, really spacious. I wanted a bag which would be very, very spacious, so there's a lot of space, and it's really, really good leather. I mean, the quality, the craftsmanship, the stitching, it is just, it looks impeccable, the quality of it. And this Mokki style is actually always out of stock, so you have to like keep a track. And luckily, when I went to the store, I was telling my husband, I don't know if we will get this shade or not. If we don't get it, we will not buy it. But luckily they had it in the store. Let me put on the crossbody as well. The crossbody has all the, just take it out, it's all wrapped in. Polene has such beautiful bags. There are a lot of different styles. When I went to the store, I almost got confused by some other styles as well. But then at the end, I just went for the one which I wanted. And I think that was the right decision. I am thankful that I didn't get confused. I can get confused and make the wrong decisions. But luckily, I think I made the right one. This is how the crossbody buckle looks like. It's a little bit different. It has Polene written on this too. I will try to give you a close-up and show you. And it's very easy to just, it's so smooth. Wow. Okay, so this is how the crossbody will go like. Of course, I will change the length. The leather feels such a good quality. It's not stiff. It's not stiff leather, but it's not very flimsy as well. So this bag is made with certified Italian full grain, smooth and textured calf leathers, 100% cotton lining, and these are sourced from certified European tanneries which require minimal maintenance. So this is how the crossbody will fit here. Okay, I'll just put this belt up, and this is how it looks. I'll of course adjust this according to my height, and then I'll show you how it looks on me. But the crossbody strap is also really sturdy. It is made of leather as well, and the hardware here also has Polene stamped on it, and it just looks beautiful. It also has feet here, which is very, very important for me. I love to have feet on my bag. So this of course has that. So that's my Polene Mokki bag, and I am just in love with how it looks. It is just so beautiful. This is the kind of bags I like, which are a little bit unique, and I just love this, you know, the textured leather, as well as this style, the design of the bag. It's really beautiful. So this is my first opinion, my first thought on this bag. Definitely I will get back to you with you on a review as well. I am researching a lot of bag brands, and if I get something more, I will do more unboxings. But today I just want to show you this. This is how it looks like. It looks quite bulky in the pictures, but in real life it's not as bulky, especially if you are someone who is a mid-size person. I think this should look pretty good, and it's a really spacious bag, so that's a really plus point for this one. So I think that's it for today's video. I just want to show you an unboxing. I usually don't do these videos, you guys know, but I hope you enjoyed it and you liked it. Do let me know if you have ever heard about this brand or want to buy something from them. If you already have Polene bags, I would love to know which one is your favorite, and if there is anything else you would recommend. So let me know, and thank you so much for watching. If you are not subscribed here on my channel, I hope you'll consider subscribing. I will see you guys really soon in my next video. Bye.